person goes out and tries to find people's reactions to certain things. These people are usually strangers. That's what's called a social experiment. It's just society in general. So I thought this video was very interesting. The guy trying to buy people's dogs, but he offers them $100,000. So I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I don't know if this is fake, because a lot of social experiments are actually fake. So before I begin, I'm gonna leave the link to the original video down below if you guys want to watch it in full. But we're gonna go through this and we're gonna see people's reactions and whether they go through and actually sell their dog for $100,000 to a stranger they never met before. Now, personal relationships with dogs and a human being usually is as if a dog is a relative of the family. It's super, super personal and close, even though dogs can't speak or anything like that. I mean, for example, I have a cat, and I think my mom loves my cat more than me, and it's like a true story. I'm not even kidding. Like, my mom cares about the cat more than me. Like, she doesn't care if I ate. Like, she cares the cat ate, but I still love my cat. I don't care. But without further ado, you're watching Reaction, and we're gonna jump right into this. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's do this.
That is a good-looking dog. What kind is it?
He's a Shepherd Husky.
Can I pet him? Oh man, hey buddy.